QCLS Daily. Do they have news that just came out or something? Yeah. Martin Scorelli joins QCLS. Daily cock on it. Wow. Scorelli, huh? Break out on the daily if it wants it. Having a hard time with 8. All right, this will be one to watch for sure. QCLS. Having a real hard time with 8. Scorelli hasn't tweeted yet. He's probably been told not to. 1 minute cock is over 23. There it is. It should go high a day. There it is. This will be a fun trader if this works out today. All right, let me get everything up and running here. Thank you. Morning, morning. should be longing this. Jolts at 10, yep. I think we had someone in the ETF me and they asked for your fund retirement fund to get close. Yeah. CC. It's just getting there. The Pope. The Pope. Come on, no key, piece of shit. Ugh. Gotta love it. 100% retracements. So I just don't even understand it. Oh. ATMC? No, I just got on ATMC. What is that? Cheese here? Huh? Is he here? Here, cheese. More tools. Cheese. All right? More freaking tools. Where you at, cheese? Merry freaking Christmas. Tools, I know you're a huge fan. Flex. Second. I know how to use a grinder. Sealed. It's beautiful. The company that made the grinder. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I feel more like a man now. I don't know when the next time I'll use a grinder. For that one time, 10 years from now, when I need one, I got one. I got the best. 5 minute break, be back for the open. QCLS is red now. Yeah. How is Nvidia not juicing on this news recently? That's kind of troubling, honestly. Just as a sign in the overall market. Yeah, you feel it too, huh? Jeez. Kramer talked about Nvidia right before I opened. No, that doesn't make me feel better. Gotta keep our eyes on the ETF being the Ask Viewer Fund and Retirement Fund today. CCAHH reaching for them stars. I don't know if he'll get there or not, but I'm gonna put the order in for him. It's right at 15. All right. GME today. Okay. What's up, Pizza Wrangler? Freaking A. This is the first thing I get from Cheese today. I mean, what is that on my shirt? Flexmaster Tool Wannabe Day Trader. I mean, this is the shit I deal with. What is that on my shirt? Morning. X-Cur red to green, yeah. Yeah. I see what you're stepping in. Jeez. Wow, that PLRZ daily is looking juicy. Hmm. No? Not gonna hold up? That was getting a decent fill. Watch TGL red to green. Nope. That's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh, TGL. I didn't realize it did this. Dumpity dump dump. Disregard. TWG. Offering, of course. Everything's gonna be weird today. Got Fed rate decision tomorrow. All right, 1815 looking for on this WVE yesterday's close. It's too much. Come on, give us a bounce. Wow, right through it. Oh, this is ugly. Bounce, you bastard. I gotta give it up. Damn. High day on ATMB. Real muff, pick your poison. Printer need to go burr. Focus tomorrow needs to be on how much QE rumors. 40 billion more wheat juice. Levi getting wrecked. Him's chooching today. CETX, nothing. Looking for 18 breaking bounce? Last time I'm going to try this. It's already beat me up once. All right. It's a decent win. What is going on? There we go. Hims. This might be a buy here at the 9 EMA. Try it. The perfect entry there on WVE. Take it there on Hims. QCLS, what a piece of garbage. Jeez. So we back to break even yet? Nope, $100 red. Like this IRBT kind of filled this gap here. Maybe we get a curl. I'm gonna put this in the swing account. I know I'm chasing a little bit here, but I kind of like the look of it. 315 would have been better. We'll see though. Watch the Patrick Boyle piece on MSCR and the state of crypto between two of you. All hair fantasies fulfilled. I don't even know what you're talking about, Savage. So if you can link me, I'll take a look at it. Funny how the tables have turned this shape pretty quiet the past week. Are you talking about the Lightning losing 4 in a row? I know when the Lightning do it, it's an anomaly. People are like, what in the world? This is so out of character. But however, when Detroit does it, they just say, oh, okay, yeah, that's Detroit. Yeah, forget the fact that we're banged up beyond banged up. And it's not that we're letting in a lot of goals. It's that it's the fact that we just stopped scoring. And the goaltenders that we've played against had their best game of their entire career. They will never have as good of it. Did you watch the Toronto game last night? You probably didn't. Let me inform you. Lightning dominated that game. It was 1-0. Going into the final 2 minutes, they scored an empty netter with 1 second left, or 0.6 seconds. Let me tell you something. The goal that went in is the most flukiest of bullshit bounces you'll ever see in your life. It says here, light and light. Yeah, because they scored an empty netter with 0.2 seconds. Blah, 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 blah. Oh my gosh, jeez. Freaking this guy. Precious gold stockpile. I have not seen it, but I know that they've been stockpiling. Whoa. Them in China. China. This TWG. Went from real loud to real quiet. Do you think you're making the playoffs? Does anyone think you're making the playoffs, Time Taker? Or are you going to be sitting there come playoff time with your Red Wings like you did last year and watch everybody else that's better than you in the playoffs? Is that what you're going to do? You're the one that started this shit. I don't come at you ever. But you're the one copy pasting me in the first week of hockey. Oh, look who's on top. Like, well, first week matters. Like the first 20 games matters. This freaking guy. Shut up, Cheese. Watch Time Taker doesn't even watch any games himself. Just looks at the money. Yeah, for sure. Well, that's what Cheese does. Cheese doesn't even try there. He just says, AI, do something, hockey, do something, okay. So this V-Wave, or Wave Life Sciences, coming up to yesterday's close here, kind of looking, this is where I thought was going to bounce, but now we're turning into yesterday's close as resistance and coming back down. If we break away from this 1850, it could juice. Red Wings have a minus goal difference. Thank you, Shred. Thank you. Time Taker doesn't know what that is, though, so you'll have to spell that out for him because he's not a real fan. Can't even skate. IRBT has some levels here. I think it's a W. IRBT. Oh, that's a 30-second chart. Maybe 340 bounce. KITT daily cock potential. Can I get more than a penny? Oh my gosh, a real cup, this guy. That is exactly what an AI would say. So obvious. I can detect it. I can smell AI. Yep, there you go. Someone that doesn't even know what they're talking about. Keep at it. I can smell it. You unoriginal bastard. You need to tell it. Make it sound like me. Make it sound like me. And then it would tell you, I don't know how to sound like a pussy. That's what it would tell you. I'm only an AI, it would say. I don't know how to sound like a pussy. Yeah, that negative goal differential team somehow beat all the other ones to get to the final, suck a dick. Pussy's a curse word? Since when? Hymns 5 minute. Got this level of 4029 as well. WVE, is it back? Oh, that's what I was looking for. A little dollar pop there. Jolts out. I think. There it is. Actual 7.67, expecting 7.2. Whoa. All right. Oh, okay. Jobs, 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 baby. Juice it. AFJK. What is this? IRBT levels here. I missed it. I wanted that 49.50 break. Maybe we get high day. Hopefully we get high day. 59. Oh, you screwed me, you son of a bitch. Look at that. Dipped right as I sold and came right back up. You piece of junk. Some horse shit. Saw that coming a mile away, too. Struck a deal to put ads in chatbots? Oh, so it goes down on that news? Oh, so it goes red on that news. What are you talking about here? I didn't go anywhere. IRBT, nice. It's chooching. WVE still chooching. Did you see the shit about AI putting ads inside of shows? I mean, that's the honestly better way to do it. Like, I would not mind. I know they have to make money, right? But what would you rather watch a show and then have a 3-minute commercial break where you're like, and you have to play on your phone and whatever, or have a seamless viewing experience and like the ad is part of the show, but not like overtly, you know, like pause for our time to show this shirt that I have on and look at it. It's amazing. It's 100% cotton and, you know, something that's seamless, part of the show, maybe a bottle on a table that the character drinks, you know, that kind of thing. Like the Starbucks cup. Yeah, like the Starbucks cup. Oh, gosh. Scroll cheese. Lightning's epic 7-game win streak. Poof. Erased and bad power play by the Islanders. Brick wall and net followed by getting sent. Blah, blah, blah. And this is AI. I mean, it's just like garbage in, garbage out. How's your Florida Panthers? Oh, you jumped off the bandwagon because they suck dick? Is that? But now I don't hear nothing about Florida Panthers, cheese. I heard it early on in the first week. You and Time Taker both. Oh gosh, oh my Red Wings are awesome. Oh gosh, my Panthers are awesome. Now they suck dick. Haven't heard a peep out of you all. Because I'm a Green Bay fan. I can't help you there. Definitely having a day, breaking out. This team's looking up today. This freaking guy. Oh, that wave was perfect. Whoa. When did IBIO start going stupid? Yesterday's high, 228 right here. I'll look for that break. Now we're green. No, we're not. Jeez. I don't know what this TGL is doing, but I'm interested on an 18 break. Really don't like that chart. Seems can't even. RBT looking at high day. IBIO over yesterday's high. Flutes, let's go. 32 months.
Good luck today, homie.
Thank you, my man. Let's get those yams, brothers. That's a 30-second. I didn't mean to do that. We're back to green. All right. Oh my gosh, freaking. Now time taker send me Instagrams. Do you guys ever work? Ever? Jeez. All right. Wedge here on IRBT. MACD is down, so there's that. Don't like that. So it might be a scalp and then it comes back down. Oh my gosh. Real platforms. TGL. Oh, I missed the button. Thank God. Jumped right over the levels. Spreads went 70 wide. 1975. IVIO curling off the 90 MA, it looks like. Let's check out this TGL, see if we can find anything on it. Higher time frame. 20 bucks, basically. Yeah, let's watch that. Huh. Unity going for it again today. IBIO finding support at yesterday's high. It's that 30 level. IRBT going. Right, you bastard. AFJK going. Big levels on this at 19. It's very spready, so you got to be careful on it. AFJK. Halting up. The last halt up was a flat open. Luke, let's go, bud. Hopefully you got headphones on, if you know what I mean. WVE, 5-minute cuck, not doing anything here. Have you seen Melissa lately? Man, you're very interested in Melissa. I haven't seen Bob. Bob probably has hibernated for the winter. He usually doesn't spend the winters here. He's got a second home. So Bob's not around, meaning Melissa's probably not around. I probably won't see her again for a while. But you know what, Pizza Wrangler? Next time I see her, I'll let her know that you've been watching and you're interested in saying hello. Can't stop thinking about her. We buy. Is it trying to go red to green? Gosh, gave it all back. What a piece of shit. I'll have to watch it though. I don't know if I can trade it. So, yeah, I can. It's amazing. Can you describe her one more time for me? Jesus. Oh gosh. IRBT is still consolidating. MACD still needs to look a little bit tighter. How much do you pay your mods? That's your friend. I mean, can you really put a dollar amount on feet pics? Like we try to, you know, they don't want a tax event. I don't want a tax event. We try to do things that just kind of get under the IRS radar. We've settled on feet pics for now until the IRS catches on to that. Oh, there it goes. It was fully texted. WVE trying to do a 5-minute. Where is it? 59. I got filled at 62. Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. IRBT, that went. Damn. IBIO 5 at the VWAP here. Sorry. AFJK dumpity dump dump. OCG. This gets real interesting over 437. TGL coming back out. Oh, dollar spread, careful. Oh my gosh, can you not be a freaking turd here? OCG, there's that level we were talking about just now. 435. I don't know. Somebody might. I don't think they've ever shared that, have they? TGL. There's that pivot right there. Tapped it. IRBT retesting the previous resistance as support now. This might be a buy spot. Nope, I got dicked. Tried that TGL. A really bad fill. Halting up. Up. Okay. AFJK. Trying to move back up. Oof. IRBT not holding up. I think I need to sell some and maybe re-add. Sell half. These turning back. Lock it in. Still got 1,000 shares left. AFJK coming back up. Halting up. Yeah. CRML. That's from yesterday with that headline, right? Daily cock on that one just hit. Good find cheese, actually. Can't believe I'm saying that. I really like that daily. Oh, we are green here. Okay. Give me 20. All right. That one's on cruise control. When does this reopen? TGL's 21.21. Let's go. One hit 85. Okay. What time does this open up at? 34:43.1 minute, less than a minute. So you can remember back on our chart that we were just looking at on this TGL. This is a 30-minute. You can kind of see all this action here. And the last little resistance before you start maybe turning this into some sort of double bottom is this peak here, which is that 21.75, 21.74. You get over that and it holds, not just break, but hold, you can have some fun. Of course, I only have 250 shares here. 10 seconds. Minute halt. $73. AFJK juicing. So now we're at 10:39:43. 10:39:43. WVE on the 90 MA here on the 1 minute. This 1970 level, maybe look for a curl here. HIMS is still consolidating. That's setting up something. IRBT testing the low point of the support area through 350. SJ and T12, freaking A. The fact that you have a skull icon is just disgusting. Just can't even. There's wave right off the. I mean, we literally just talked about it. Off the 90 MA, 1970. Boom. Shakalaka. Don't break 20 right away. Don't break 20 right away. High of the day is 2024. Taking a 15-second cock there. I was hoping for another test of 20, which I do think it breaks then, but 6. That's going to be a stop real quick, I think. Yep. All right, back to this. Where are we at on the day? Oh, okay. Just over a minute. What's it showing? Oh, I'm sure you do have a real question for me, SJ and T12. This freaking guy. $39.43. Showing 22. If I remember correctly, this thing didn't really gap up and then continue. Like, we haven't seen a double runner. So I'm going to sell half out of the open, I believe. Again, I don't have that much to play with here. 10 seconds. Just gonna get it all out. Oh. $23. Wow. Of course. Of course it goes. Of course it goes. Oh, okay. WV, I don't want to miss this 20 break. Core weave moving? Seeing if this area will offer support. Cuck. AFJK didn't really do anything flat open. that what I see? There it goes. 2239. Watch Hims as well. Hims is consolidating nicely. Keep an eye on that one. It's starting to open up. This needs the curl. $89 should give us the move, but it's 89. Needs to break it. Starting to feel a little heavy. But then again, you get these like random ass volume spikes. There it is. Oh, didn't hit it. What is this? TGL curling back up. Of course. Oh, anytime we can have a cuck, let's do it. All right, if this does nothing, I would expect a bigger move here. Rand Corp with the raid. Let's go, bud. How you doing? How you doing, Rand Corp? OG in the crypto space there, boys and girls. Check them out. There it is. Freaking knew it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Give me the 20. Give me the 20. Give daddy the 20. How the markets today? Tomorrow's the big day as far as news goes. So markets are going to be kind of blah until that big news is over with. It's Fed rate decision day. I don't think the markets know if we're going to get a cut or not. Polymarket seems to think we have an 85% chance of a cut. We should, with the amount of jobs that just went by recently. It's 95%. I haven't looked at it today. I thought it was 80. I looked yesterday and I thought it was around 85%, but 95%, huh? You're getting a cut. We better. QE is the color. Yep. Bitcoin's squeezing. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. No. Oh, well, okay. Where are we at now? 1,500 bucks. Yeah, it should be interesting. The gymnastics that are played tomorrow. After tomorrow is a lame duck. That's true. This is his swan song, isn't it? OCG still juicing over those levels. Did not click rebuy. Big level broke there. 435 still juicing. Someone traded me silver for weed like 2 months ago. It was glorious. Got 3 ounces for silver. 1 ounce of weight. Got 3 ounces for silver for 1 ounce of weight. Silver's chooching. It's one of the most degen things I've ever heard. And I've heard a lot. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. All right. Yeah. You gonna blow at 87? MACD's down. This might be a 20 break in reverse. Let's see. Markets, what are you doing here? OCG, very nice move. 5-minute cock here. Wow, I'm shocked on that NEE. That is ridiculous, honestly. Couldn't break out yesterday, huh? See if you get an 80 flush and bounce off of 80. Hims 5-minute is over 40.02. Let me pull up crypto. Haven't looked at it in a while. What? I mean, still not that impressive. Not that impressive. AFJK 20 seconds. Damn, that's a 10-minute halt. Ooh. The last halt down was the start of the next run, so people are going to be looking at that for this open. OCG on the 90 MA there. $5 support. TGL coming back up. That perfect. Silver's over $60 an ounce. Nope. It's a weak haul here. It's pretty weak. OCG trying again here. Watch that $5 level for a hold and then another curl. Look at that dip. This would have been perfect. Dip hitting previous resistance, now acting as support. That was beautiful. Market trying to get back up after whatever that was. NVIDIA. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Do it for daddy. You didn't do it for daddy. Stop just ticking. 98 break. Should give us another move to 20, and I expect it to go. Who wins here? Ooh. All right, 98 break. Yes. Tapped it. 98's getting there. Come on. Oh. Who wins? Okay. When the bid and the ass get together, it's the bid that's slaying. Okay, do it! Oh. Took a run at it. Got a minute and a half on this. Jeez, SLV. Minute and a half on PGL. If this pops 20 and drops, kick a kitten. 98 break again should be a level to move to 20. Just don't want to cuck. All right, let's see what that cuck does, if anything. If it does nothing, then we're going to get another attempt. And another one. TGTL. 58.58 is when it opens. 24.68 resumption. AFJK halted up. I'm a prophet. I foresaw that future. Every time I read Daddy in a book, it makes me think of you now, SJ, because you say it so much. You're creeping in my smut adventures. You're welcome. You're not the first. Cheese tells me that all the time. 10 seconds. I don't know if it's going to open. This is gapping up a buck here. Oop, drop the 24 real quick, so it might open. Here we go. Yep. Wow. Ooh. Got another fill over 25. Hell yeah. All right. Good. Good. Good! Back to this piece of shit. Actually... Hymns, here it is again. 40.04 is the level. Right there, you can see it. See if it can get moving off of that. Oh, yes. The ETF, me and the Ask Viewer Fund Retirement Fund spreadsheet is up to date. That took me a long time yesterday due to the day that Jesse's World kissed the ETF, me and the Ask Viewer Fund Retirement Fund that has me retiring the year 31. I think we're down to like 79 now, so we're doing good. Look at this volume on that break. Still watching this 20 on WVE. That he's chooching. Oh, I got filled. Okay, so it broke. High days 24. Come on. What is that? Oh, that's disgusting is what it is. Filthy. Just when I thought I was gonna have a juicer on my hands. Gotta do that poop. TGL, is it open? Not a double deucer. Silver's mountain. Mm-hmm. See if the reclaim at 20 gets it. $10-minute halt on this thing. Oof, this is doing a 5-minute cock and drop. It's my. I gotta stop there. IRBT 350. Maybe a 350 break and bounce for a scalp. This be the VWAP. There's our break on IRBT. TGL curling. Watch the 5-minute there. This ain't holding up at all. Oof. Oh, got on a bounce. All right, works. TGL. Oh, AFJK. Missed it. This is still trading. Still watching the reclaim of on this 20 level. And WVE. Oh, break. Yep. Can't hold it yet, though. Oh, there it goes. As soon as I freaking took a... Oh, are you kidding me? uh, Dude, that's horse dickery. That's some freaking horse dickery. That pisses me off. TGL. Him's trying to get back up to that 4017 level. TGL's that high, huh? Hmm. There goes frickin' Hims. What do you got, Jesse's World? Entering the game once again, baby. Let's go, Jesse's World.
Me G.
Boom, you're in, Queen. Get her on the board. It's been all too quiet in the ETF Me and the Ass Viewer Fund Retirement Fund. And Jesse's World steps back into the ring. Jesse's World. One at 458. Boom, gotcha. I'm going to put it in the spreadsheet as we speak. GI 12.9. One share at 458. Boom, you're in. I'm all bricked up. Man. Oh, you savage, and you got a better fill. Nay, TV.
Me G.
12, 9, 25. Oh my God. They've all been waiting for this moment. Oh my gosh.
MIGI.
12, 9, 25. One each at 457. Freaking savages. Freaking savages. Oh my gosh, Talk Jock wants in.
MIGI.
One at 458. Oh, Jack! What is going on? Sons of bitches.
Me G.
Okay. Talk Jock. 12, 9, 25. One at 459. See, Jess, they just riding the cock again. Just riding it. Oops. Jack, not Talk. Jack A. Hoffer. 12, 9, 25. One at 459. That's hilarious. Okay, so one. All right, we got $457. 57. Nene and pizza. Then we have Talk with 458. And Jack with 459. Boom, you all are in on the spreadsheet. Hey Jesse, see if they'll follow you on a $10 stock. I think their threshold's $5. $21 Capital went live on NY. hell's this? Whew. We're gonna take a look at the spreadsheet here. I haven't looked at it since I updated it yesterday, but it is humongous. Hey, Salt, are you here? I don't know if he is. I don't think he is. So this spreadsheet's becoming humongous. So we need to probably move all the purged and sold positions to its own sheet, just to make it a little more, little easier to digest. I already bought a bunch of shitters for content, so yeah, you did. But then on top of the content, you sold all the shitters. I doubled your your sales, and we bought Vu and Vu G. Epic. Yeah, active position only sheet. I don't know how to do all this stuff, or otherwise I'd do it myself. I'll try to get Salt to do that. I need to have this sheet, how we're gonna use it come January 1. January 1 is the date of the start of the the very first ETF Me and the S Viewer Funded Retirement Fund Fantasy Pick'ems. It was fun to buy that stuff when we have less rules. The only rule, I'm taking rules off. I'm repealing one of them. You can buy basically any stock over $1, Chinese shitter or not. Or, I mean, any stock. What did I say? Any stock. No OTC, though. That's what it is. Maybe it has to be over $1. I think it has to be over $1. I'll put that one to you all today. I can't remember what I said. Even on a different exchange. No. Any stock that I can buy that's not OTC. So anyway, let's look at the leaderboard links. I don't know if these are updated or not, but we'll check them out. Jesse's World with 13. Yeah, that's right. Pizza 10. Okay, so these are all right. But again, none of this matters until January 1. January 1 is when we go in for the ring, baby. And I think I'm making a 5-month long one. 5-month competition. So January, February, March, April, May. End of May, May 31st. Will be the end. The reason why is because that 6th month, I want to have a little leeway to see if we're going to do it again and if we need to make any changes. So that gives us a month to figure that out. When Jay Powell retires, perfect. So the ring that we are looking at here, if you haven't seen it yet, this is the gold version. This is the silver version. There'll be some changes, like this one is going to be bigger. I need to tell them that. The top is pretty much set in stone. Your name will go here, whatever name you want. And then the bull will make a little bit of change to that. Mods, we get the silver. Yeah, let me just toss out another $700 ring. This ain't no freaking cheap ring. He first quoted me $1,000, and I'm like, can we work something out here? He's like, well, if you know that you're going to continue to do this, the price comes down. I'm like, well, yeah, that's the idea. Pretty cool engagement ring. Purge everything on. No. So for everything that's in there now, that'll stay just for the 100% club entry, but it won't count towards the competition. The competition will have a whole new spreadsheet. It's all this old stuff, you know, how we originally started it. with you know, all this stuff is still going to be in here. I'm not getting rid of any of it. This will all, if you have, D nut from November, it'll still count whenever this gets 100% for your Discord 100% title, all that stuff. I'm not getting rid of all this stuff. We're just going to probably, just for clarity and keeping things nice and tidy, we'll have a second sheet, with its own tab or whatever for the fantasy stock pick'ems. The Texas Rangers 2023, right? So with it all in the same account. Yeah. And I mean, it'll be in the same account. I'm not going to have a separate account. So it'll be in the ETF Meta. Just on the spreadsheet, it'll be different. Oh, look at that. 3 more freaking shitters doing something that I don't. This is why we purge. So I don't get this shit. Aphelion, you can go to the sheet and sort by name, but let's do that for you. You are TGE. Currently down 33%. But yeah, I would like to get, because there's so many that we could just, half the damn list is purged or sold. What do we got here? Pizza? TG.
TGE.
Jeez. That's freaking funny. Is Jesse gonna follow pizza? That'll be even funnier. Let's see. Pizza Wrangler. 12 9 25 4 at 112. Oops. Update the list. TGE 12 9 4 at 112. Pizza Wrangler. Boom, you're in. I'm surprised no one bought one of those crazy low floor. I know. These things that went freaking absolutely nutty. These things went up 200-300%. Ape's like, nah, not my style. OCG. Ooh, what is that? Big juice candle. Wow. Let's get a retest of the 50 level. Take it at 43.
Wait till SJ's CPA tells him he owes big bucks to the IRS for his ETF MITA Act.
Yeah, I will for sure. Now that seller turned into a hidden seller. Oops. I tapped 515. Jeez. Get back up. There's the buyer. Get over 43. There you go. Come on. Don't let my entry be the pivot point here. Get back over 50. A minute cock is 47. Come on. Fire down there again. I mean, what is the luck that the area that it's struggling with is right at my buy from a minute ago? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. Gonna go high day? High there's 70. Get over 70. Okay. High day? Okay. 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 Mm-hmm. Do 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 do. Watching this OCG. ACB. Yeah, that's a big thing to throw out there by them, huh? Go. No? You're right there. Explosion. There it is. There it is. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, I gotta watch this. We're gonna watch this together. I completely forgot about this. If you know, you know. Yeah, here it is. Just, you know, just a little something, something.
You know, we moved $16 trillion the other day. In one day, 16 trillion. It goes through our AML systems, our risk systems, sanction systems, fraud systems, OFAC systems. You know, it's cheap, it's fast. So we've always been using technology to do a better job for the client. And we're going to do the same thing in tokenization. So tokenization, blockchain is real. It's been around for quite a while, but now it's becoming more effective, more efficient because people are finding ways to do it faster and cheaper, permissioned or not permissioned. Smart contracts, I think, will probably be real. We're working on stable coin and a JP Morgan. We have a JP Morgan deposit already. And think of it as a token, which is a deposit. We can pay interest on it. And as a payment system and a network, we're involved. If we can use things like that to do something better, faster, cheaper for clients, we're going to. You know, we moved
Is that something, huh? Is that something, Jamie?
16 trillion. It goes through our AML systems, our risk systems, sanction systems, fraud systems, OFAC systems. You know, it's cheap, it's fast. So we've always been using technology to do a better job.
Always been doing this. Always been doing this. That is the biggest 180 ever.
Crypto.
If you mean crypto like Bitcoin, I've always said it's a fraud.
No hope for it.
Well, if they think they're a currency, there's no hope for it. It's a Ponzi scheme. It's a public, decentralized. I've always been deeply opposed. I've always been deeply opposed to crypto, Bitcoin, etc. You pointed out the only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance, and that is a use case because it is somewhat anonymous, not fully, and because you can move money instantaneously, and because it doesn't go through, as you mentioned, all these systems have built up over many years, know your customer, sanctions, OFAC, they can get bypass all of that. If I was the government, I'd close it down.
Okay.
Huh. 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 Huh.
And there are a lot of people who are approaching other people who have name brands and saying, look, we ought to get in this business. We can go borrow money and buy Bitcoin and make money.
Or Ethereum, right?
Yeah, or Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum. I used to own Ethereum. Wow. I mean, that thing was a rocket ship. Then it kind of died out. People were actually using Ethereum to buy things. But I think there's a whole other world out there right now. And like Jamie Dimon today about private equity, he criticized... I mean, I wish, I don't know, you know how there are these sites, the site that talks about what events are going to occur? I'd like to go, I'd like to be the bookie on when he does a lot of crypto. He'll go all in crypto. Maybe he does it on the conference call. But
This might be the first time that Kramer was right.
Yeah, well, I think that's why you got to check the sites. You got to check these sites.
I think he means like Polymarket. Anyway, freaking biggest 180 ever. You had a market prediction of 3K? Oof. Oh, shit. No! Mother... Inside candle, inside candle, inside candle. Pop or drop. I thought we were going to pop with the W here. It looks so good. And then pooped out the bottom. AFJK, what are you doing here? You going for it? Yeah, I mean, all the crypto stocks are going today, but did Tilray do a reverse split? All the crypto stocks are going today, but it's like the weeklies and monthlies still are horrible. It's just a bounce. So they did do it. Okay. Well, that's a quick way to lose $1,000. We have JK going for the 31. This thing is so volatile. I don't know if I could trade it. Oh my gosh, jeez. You know what the HOA is not complaining about is me sliding down my mountain because I have bald ass tires for these Princess wheels that I took off, and they don't have to deal with that shit anymore. Put on some wheels that actually, or some tires that actually had some hair on its nutsack. Now OCG goes, you piece of shit. That hurts me. Ooh, look at this. You got the breakout here on the daily over 750. Buck away from it. How does that not go? Oh, 60 would have done it. Oh, coming down. Looking at this for a 36 AFJK. Whew. For a buy, I missed my buy spot. Damn it. This piece of shit. You gonna hold up this time? Needs to get over the 60 mark. Watch for that WV to hold 20. If it holds 20, it's on. What's this crap? Oh, shit. 750. Oh, hell yeah. Hold 750. We'll tag it. I'll tag it. Which stock you talking about, Jesse? OCG's doing a reverse split? Damn. The stock is already 4 million shares. Oh, no, it's 11. Golly, they're doing a reverse split? Shit, okay. Cancel the reverse split. It actually tanked the stocks, which is funny. IRBT doing a little 15-minute cock here. It still has bigger levels above that has to get over. Make new highs. That'd be 368 up here. Whatever that is, 369. Do any of the Black Friday deals still work? Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Let's check them out real quick. I don't think the Mentor Q ones do. They're just back to the normal there. About charts, yeah, Black Friday over there. Trade Exchange. Trade Exchange might work. It's showing the landing page for it. Does anybody want to try it? All right. And I'm sure Benzing is gone. Yeah. All right. Let me take all that off. A lot of you got those Black Friday deals. Some of you have gotten some insane lifetime deals with Benzinga. Some of the best I've ever heard of because they dropped my name. I don't want to say the price because we kind of, the person that got it, they think it was an accident. So we don't want to screw that up for them. But let's just say it was less than the normal amount people were getting. If you get James on the phone, he's my contact with them now until that changes. But James, you let him know that it's Stock Jock if you're trying to get the lifetime deal, and he's hooked up everybody so far. All right, Black Friday off. No, Sicario, that's a good price. That's a very good price. There's just been one outlier, one person that got some really stupid, and we think it's because the person on the other end screwed up. Should I let him know? And I'm a multiple 100% entrant. Maybe tell them how many, doorknobs you've gone through over the years. It's, a sign of being a veteran. No, it wasn't $23. Support here, 660 in OCG. See if this holds. Shut up, cheese. SMX headlines coming out. The daily cock on this one's going to be a fun one. IRBT coming back up. This is the levels we were talking about. This 369. Oh yeah, geez. Speaking of elbows to Lightning players' heads. How about last night? McMahon gets a match penalty, intent to injure, on a Lightning player. He's going to be suspended at least one game. Who knows what he gets? His hearings today. So, it's still out and about, people trying to kill Tampa Bay Lightning players. We have a plethora of people in this BYND, and it is starting to move. Soft. Man, it's a box of himself. OCG 660 level curl was perfect. This is when we draw all these lines. Nice little bouncy, 30 cents. IRBT getting up there. This has been a shitter. I was real happy about this one. Oh, it came back up and I missed it. Daily on this one was great. Josh Brown, TTAN. Holy pop, Josh Brown. AFJK. Looking for that blue sky, huh? 4180. Tampon Bay. I'm sure some moron has. What a stupid name. FLUC, there it is. Oh man, the Lightning's injury report reads like a crowd. Oh gosh, and more AI bullshit. Kucherov isn't injured, so nice try. Vasilevsky is. Dena's not injured, and well, he's almost back. Cernak is injured. Point isn't injured. Literally played last night. So AI can suck a dick, and so can you. SGMail breaking out. Punch you in the drywall. I missed the 69. Damn it. AFJK, dip and rip. $39.50. FULC, that was a nice pop. High day, broke it. All right. Those are on cruise control. QLC is nuclear. This is getting real tight here on the 5-minute. We should get a move from the zone soon. Still making love to 20. Dufresne, what the hell message is this? Dear Jock, yesterday I followed you into battle, longing for Skynet money. I saw you leaving the field of bloodshed early, but I missed the exit. Decided that the reign of Skynet is not over yet, so I made $500 this morning, and I am thankful. Some of you are on some stuff. All right, 5 minute, 2003. WVE. Inside candle, inside candle. I might actually add. If it breaks. 504. IRBT still going. IRBT 380. Juice it. Don't 5 minute cuck. You probably do, though. You're going to flush it out and then go. I know your tactics. I know your horse shit. IRBT 384. AFJK, halted down. FULC still moving. Nice 1 minute cock there. OCG still doing stuff. I turn my heat up. I'm gonna cook. Of course. Watch it curl and go now. 4, nice red to green. Oh, that was beautiful. I know you guys were calling it in Discord. Good stuff. This was beautiful. What's that pre-market level? 25. Oh my gosh, look at that volume that just came. It's disgusting. Called it. I told you it was going to dip and rip. Told you. Freaking told you. Stop me out. Pop 15 cents. Still the damn 23. I hit the sell button twice. Okay, thank you. Just putting an order in at 24 now. Just not going to be watching this thing. Steal my money. CG might be dead for a bit. There's VOR at 25. That's the pre-market level. What's up with CXAI? That break, kind of did break it, didn't it? I'll take the L on that. Is Empire Strikes Back my favorite? I don't. As a kid, the Hoth battle was my favorite of everything. But is it my favorite movie now? I mean, Return of the Jedi is pretty badass. Got great battle scenes, different planets, different environments, gold bikini. I mean, what are we talking about, really? Yeah, Boba Fett's in Empire too, though. Boba Fett dies, well, doesn't die, but I don't know. My favorite scene, though, is from Rogue One. My favorite scene in all of Star Wars is from Rogue One. We're going to watch it right now. We've watched it multiple times on this channel. But we're going to watch it again because it's that badass. demonetize my channel once more. Whoa. We not 1440p? Yeah, okay.
Let's go! Gotta go now! Hurry! Let's go!
Seen all Star Wars right there.
Make sure you secure the airlock. Prepare the escape pods. Your Highness,
This is also the worst
Transmission
AI
we received.
ever made of
what is it they've sent us?
cinematography.
Hope.
Like, this was in a movie, right? Not too long ago. That's so bad. No, it's not AI, but it's bad. They do that now. Here, let me show you. Let me show you what some fans did. Let me see if I can even find it. It's very recent. What's that? No. This might be it. No? I think it is. Where is it? Is it? Come on. I'm just saying how fast this stuff has changed. Where's the one of him? I can't find it. Oh well. Oh well. This is gonna fire off soon. Look how tight this 15-minute chart is. This is gonna fire off very soon. Me and my cousin. What the hell? What is that clip of Peanut? Jeez. If this dicks me again, I'm gonna be very upset. Hold! Yes. Should be fighting over 2003, not 20 again. Two Mickey Mouse cups. Okay. Okay. Two Mickey Mouse cups your team couldn't even sniff. RBT holding up very well around that 370 level. Previous resistance, now support. What is that? Cock drop, cock. Baloney. Some malarkey there. Go! Yes! I want high a day out of this horse shit. Taking a half off. Nvidia potential long here. Tesla. Oh, that was a really nice range there to break out of. Good stuff. What was the JP Morgan headline? Autos are getting better. Data is getting worse. Yeah, I don't. I mean, we just watched a whole video on it yesterday. There's nothing good going on there. Maybe he means relatively speaking. I don't know. Mm-hmm. 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 So numbers for that's. Five-minute play. It's DAL. AFJK coming back up. IRBT high a day. Still chooching there. Wow. Go out the top. I didn't even know it. Luke, you're almost green on your IRBT. I've never watched any of the animated stuff. FULC looks like a good rip. Such light volume. MACD's down. Gotta be careful. I don't know what that IRBT is. Okay. CG trying to curl. Go on. Go ahead. Chooch, baby. Chooch. Get that high a day. If you all see building out a 5-minute. Oh. Dip and rip. Let it go, bud. Shit fills. Didn't really move on that high day break. Oh, it waited for me to, draw my, yeah, then you move it up. What's BYND doing? Hmm. This curls. Oh my gosh. Friend just did it. It just did it. Stop me out. Looking for the 5-minute cock and drop and then curl back up. Classic. My gosh. CG to back down. May 29. There we go. This thing just ain't breaking out, is it? It's EQ? I have no idea, Bandit. You know, you get over maybe 102, the Staley level here. Can you get going? Maybe. Keep an eye on it, though. Oh, is that the play there? Piece of junk. Just not going. real quiet. It's gonna have to open up a little bit more for me to care about that WV. I lost a lot of money trying it over and over again, just not going. IRBT hanging out. Maybe a 5-minute scalp over 372. That daily's setting up nicely. FULC finally went. AFJK. So you got this diagonal here. If you break it, you probably go high a day. Z-Man headline. Calling it here. I got some errands I gotta run. I gotta go get another Flex tool cheese. Gotta get another one. $79 for a mid-torque wrench. Are you kidding me? $79. You guys are awesome. We'll be back at it tomorrow. I have so many boxes of Flex in my office here. And here's another reason why I like Flex. 3 words, batteries. They're all sold out. All the batteries are sold out. And I don't know what you mean by that. They literally have the best batteries in the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 boxes in here. And know why they're in here? Is because I have to complete the little registration for the lifetime warranty. Lifetime. Now, if they leave the US, that's not really going to help me too much. But right now, they're still here. Anyway, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Shut up, Viceroy. Good day again. Continuing on. Hopefully, I think I'm actually green on the month finally now. See you tomorrow.